Okay, so today we're going to be talking about the refractive medias of the eye. Now, the refractive medias of the eye are very important to vision because these are the medias or medium that wherein light would pass through before it reaches the retina. So it helps in the refraction and the convergence of the light rays that would enter the eye so that it will focus on a focal point, singular focal point on the retina so that we will have clear vision. So we'll start with the first media or medium of the eye. Number one, it is the cornea. The cornea is the most anterior refractive media of the eye. As we all know, the cornea is avascular and transparent. So it allows light to pass through it. Now the second media would be the aqueous humor. Now the aqueous humor also is a transparent media. That means it allows light to pass through it. And the aqueous humor is the one that occupies the anterior and the posterior chambers of our eye. Now the third media would be the crystalline lens. Again, just like the cornea, it is avascular, it is transparent. That means it allows light to pass through it. The fourth media of the eye, refracting media of the eye before it reaches the retina, would be the vitreous humor. Okay? The vitreous humor is the one that occupies the vitreous cavity. Again, although it's jelly, it is watery, just like the aqueous humor. So again, it is transparent and it allows light to pass through it before it reaches the retina. Now, these are the refractive medias of the eye. Now, next we go to the refracting surfaces of the eye. Again, I want to stress that these are very important because the refracting media determines the amount of convergence, okay, or refraction of the light before it reaches the retina, wherein there should be a singular focus to achieve clear vision. Okay, the first refracting surface of the eye would be the anterior surface of the cornea. Remember, we're not talking about media anymore. We're talking about surfaces. The second refracting surface of the eye would be the posterior surface of the cornea. The third refracting surface of the eye would be the anterior surface of the crystalline lens. The fourth refracting surface of the eye would be the posterior surface of the crystalline lens. So these are the refracting surfaces of the eye wherein light rays will have to pass through and be refracted before it reaches the retina, the neural coating of the eye. So as a review, again, when you're asked about medias of the eye, you're really refracting medias of the eye. You're really talking about the cornea, the aqueous humor, the crystalline lens, and the vitreous humor.